My name is Adeline. Riley. Becker Brett. Harley. Cedar. Isabel. Hadley.
And that spells?
Hadley. Ah!
I'm going to ask you some...
Oh my God. I just don't know in my brain.
What's that?
I said I just don't know in my brain. Noodles. Goulash. Soup. Pizza.
Pizza.
Potato corn. Pumpkin pie. Turkey. Well, you will first have to catch one, but then make it so it's dead. So, you have to, put it on a grill. Then, you use it, and then you use a pincher thingy. Like, two spatulas connect together, but that's made of metal. Put in the oven.
In the oven. How long do you think you got to put it in there?
14 minutes.
14 minutes?
Bucket. From a microwave.
Put it in the microwave?
Yeah. No, I don't know how. I'm like Captain America. Hulk. My friends. Wonder Woman. Elsa.
Elsa from Frozen?
Yeah. Let it go. And I think for my family. For my dad. I think for my daddy snuggling with me. My mom and my dad. I'm thankful for my friends.